So I'm Ryan Buffa. I'm with Chevrolet here in San Diego as we walk through the Blazer 24 Blazer EV. We're going to talk about the in-vehicle infotainment system, the benefits of Google built-in. So we'll get started. One of the first things that's super important to notice as you look at the vehicle is the dynamic, beautiful 17.7-inch display that we have in front of us for both the driver and passenger. And then the driver information center over there is 11 inches. All digital, super important to recognize as well. No matter which trim level you get in the Blazer, this is the standard display, standard hardware, and standard software that goes through it. One of the most important things in the EV environment actually is talk about that confidence in your charge, confidence in your range and everything. So we do that by using the Google built-in system here and leveraging Google Maps. So as we go through Google Maps, and we want to work on maybe let's go to a particular destination or someplace, we can see that it's actually estimating whether or not we can make it to a location, right? So we can also use the Google built-in system. I double tap the button there, I apologize. Take me to Las Vegas.
Okay, Las Vegas.
So it's very quickly planning a route, telling me about the tolls, it tells me of end of battery range, and then almost instantaneously creates a charging plan. And you can see along the way, it's now plotted 1, 2, and 3 charging stations, and also added the 30, 38 minutes, and 46 minutes to the total time for the drive. Now, we haven't necessarily been in this vehicle to set up our preferred charging providers, but you can do that, filter them out, and get yourself ready for your success. As you can see as well, because we're starting the vehicle right now with only 15% battery charge, we're gonna have to charge right away when we get there. So as we did that, the vehicle picked our first charging stop about 14 miles away, right? And also started preconditioning the battery. So when we arrive, we're getting to that DC fast charger and the vehicle is ready to go, right? From there, we would do our 30-minute charge and then continue down the path as we move forward, right? So really, really awesome, very quick, very responsive, as you can see. The best software, hardware that we've put out there, something we're really, really proud of. Beyond the Maps, right? The Google Play Store is also available to us with a subset of apps that are designed very specifically for the vehicle overall. As the store loads, we'll talk about in this vehicle, we are preloading Spotify and Waze. So if those are two of your favorite apps, they're coming the moment you start the vehicle. Beyond that, you can easily climb through here, find an app that you like of some sort, right? And tune in radio potentially. Then you'd hit the install button, it would download. There are more apps coming every day. As you use that too, you can go back to what we call audio stage, cycle through things like Sirius XM, like I said, Spotify, Audible, Amazon Music, for instance, all available in the vehicle, powered by the vehicle's 5G Wi-Fi. It's by the 5G, also powering the Wi-Fi in the vehicle. So there's the Wi-Fi hotspot that can be shared with up to 7 devices. One of the new quick fun features is you just scan a QR code with your device and it automatically connects to the network overall. The cool things that we're just bringing over time. You still have the ability to use like the vehicle as like a Bluetooth radio as well. So if there are some music sources that are not in the Google Play library, for instance, Apple Music or Apple Podcasts, and your iPhone was connected, you'd be able to just power those, just like if you're on your deck or your patio and you wanted to bring your speaker out to have some tunes while the kids are playing soccer, you could drive that through the Bluetooth.
Why is Google built-in so important in this case? What the Google allows you that you can do with your own technology?
So I think the Google just allows us to have the best maps that are out there, statistically speaking, if you will. They are a high accuracy, great value, allows us to integrate with those charging networks from a cloud perspective. If we actually got into the route guidance here a little bit, I hit some of my, apologize for that. Let's go back and reset the route, and there's probably a better way to show off this from the start. We'll go to this Mission Beach. We're gonna have to charge as we kind of go there. So there's a charging station. If I actually select the route details and I look at the charging station, for instance, we're bringing in all this information about where it's located, the amenities nearby, and the capacity of the charging station as well. These are things that are not easily done in like a phone projection situation, for instance. This vehicle comes powered in the infotainment space with the voice, whether it be Amazon Alexa, which is also built into the vehicle. And we can kind of show off the icon over here. Right, you can make that your default provider. So Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, those are considered the voice. Those are included in the vehicle for 8 years, along with the powered maps as well. So connected navigation. At this point, if we talk about that, that's Waze, and then the Google Maps.
Alexa is also included for 8 years.
Yep. So we talk about
Google Voice.
Yeah, we talk about it as the connected voice assistant, and we talk about it as connected navigation.
Okay.
There are other apps that exist in the Google ecosystem that would qualify for those over time. They would also get added to the group. After that 8 years, we would look for a subscription relationship with the customer. We don't have any information to share at the time what that looks like. But that's a ways away from time for us both to figure that out.
Yeah.
Additionally, to power the infotainment system in the vehicle for things like Spotify or any of those other music apps like Audible we were talking about, those are included for 3 years. So drive off the dealership, those work. You're not paying for anything, right? And those are transferable with the vehicle itself. It's not a per person kind of thing. Beyond that, we still have the ability to subscribe to the Wi-Fi hotspot, for instance, with unlimited data plans. Those exist in the OnStar catalog now. And other things like OnStar safety and security are also really powerful and things that customers are really like. I'm most excited about the screen, the responsiveness of the system, the amount of options and functionality we're giving the customers. The first time that we can come through and show off, like we said, the responsiveness of the screen, how quickly you can zoom out, zoom in, move around, flip the map, whatever you want to do. It's a very responsive, very fun screen. It complements the vehicle very well. Everything fills out the display. Again, 17.7 inches, showing everything off. Excited about the connectivity we bring to the customer on day one. I think it's one of the best products we've ever put forward.
How do you, hey Google, play the Total Car Score podcast.
Sure, here's the latest episode of Total Car Score, Season 4, Episode 74. The new BMW 5 Series is now available as an EV, playing on Google Podcasts.
Man, that must be exciting, huh?
Very good.
The competition.
Very good.
I did.